Alright, I am back with a new Get Ready With Me video again. It has been a while since I made a Get Ready With Me, but now I'm back with a new one. And today, I don't really have any plans when it comes to the makeup I'm doing today, but I know I'm having like this blue contact lens on, which is not enlarging at all. And I also know that my skin is breaking out very badly. It is actually recovering because I had all these breakouts when I was in Sydney. Okay, so let's quickly move on to the makeup look because I cannot stand myself without makeup, like right now. Okay, so first of all, I'll be applying this lip balm that I got from Sydney. It's the Papaw Ointment. My lips has been cracking so badly. My skin has been rather dull lately. I don't know what happened. So I'm gonna be using this Meteorites base from Guerlain. I think I've been very busy lately until like, I think my skin can really show what's going on. Like I've been so stressed out with work. The moment I landed in Singapore after Sydney, I've been doing work. I haven't really gotten like actual rest. I think that's why my skin is looking like this. Okay, so after my base, I'll be using this Clio Professional Nudism Velvetwear foundation. This foundation has slightly higher coverage as well. Shake it well before you use it. Okay, so to give more glow to my skin, I'm gonna be adding this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Soft Light Highlighter. Just a teeny bit into my foundation and tap it. Okay, so using my beauty blender and some spray. So I sprayed on some of the glow water from Fresh. I'm just gonna like blend my foundation out. Although I need a lot of coverage, I usually like to go for high coverage foundation that is not matte. And then I apply just a thin layer just to, you know, cover up wherever necessary. And then if there are any other flaws, I'll just go in with some concealer later so your base won't look that thick. I love this foundation. I think it's really good. It has this like nice skin finish on my skin. Okay, next I just need to brighten up my under eye first. I'll be using this Fix Up by Benefit. It is like a hydrating under eye concealer. I'm just going to be applying under my eyes. Okay, so now I'm gonna be concealing other flaws like my acne scars, my freckles, yep. Okay, because I have a lot of discoloration and acne scars on my skin right now, I don't really want to just apply straight on my skin because it's gonna be very thick since I need to conceal a lot of areas. So I'm gonna be using this concealer brush from Etude House and I'm just gonna pick up some from here and dotting it on the areas I need to conceal. Tapping it on. So I'm done with applying the concealer. I'm gonna be blending it out using this MAC over 6 again. And because I'm wearing blue contact lens, the dark eye rings will get accentuated, so I'm gonna be concealing more on my dark eye rings as well. Okay, I'm done concealing my face. You can tell there's a huge difference from like before. Okay, so now I'll be just setting the concealed area using this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte foundation. Just gonna be using this to set the areas that I've concealed. Okay, now I'll be dusting a layer of powder on my skin and I'll be using the Canmake face powder today. It looks like this on the inside. It's very pretty. It kind of reminds me of my Guerlain face powder that I always use. Okay, I'll be using the Makeup Forever Straight and Wavy 124 Kabuki brush. Just lightly doing this because this is quite powdery. Then dust off the excess and then setting it like this. The way you apply your powder differs accordingly to the type of powder you're using. For example, this one that I'm using is slightly more powdery than the usual Guerlain one that I use. So for this, I have to only tap it lightly and then tap off the excess. And then tap it on my skin before I brush it. Otherwise, it's gonna look massive. It's gonna make your face like white. I am done setting my skin. We'll be moving on to my brows now. Yup, today I'll be using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit in the shade 3.5. I've been using this throughout my trip in Sydney because I went there with Benefit and I've been using this Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This is just super easy to use. Just gonna be filling in my brows as per normal. As you can tell, I screw up this eyebrow, but it's okay because we'll be using some concealer to conceal the sides. I'm using the Boing Benefit Concealer, so I'm just gonna be concealing the sides to sharpen my brows and to fix the areas that I screw up. It's fine now. Okay, my brows look a little bit different today, but you know, as they say, brows are sisters, not twins, so it's fine. As long as they don't look like distant relatives, it's fine. Okay, so I'll be setting my brows lightly using the lightest shade from Kit, Eyebrow Kit. Okay, so I'm gonna be contouring my nose now using Hoola Lite from Benefit. It's the lighter version of Hoola, because my skin is quite fair, so I have to use this. This is very powdery, so don't use too much. I'm using the MAC 224 again. Shading my nose. Okay, so I'm gonna be bringing the contour into my eye crease today because I'm wearing blue contact lens and I think I need more emphasis on the crease. So I just received this palette, my Neon Sign Eye and Face palette from Laneige yesterday. Can't wait to try out. Okay, I'm gonna be using this shade as a base for my eyeshadow, using the large eyeshadow brush in 09 from Laneige. Dusting it all over my eyes. Slightly shimmery, so it looks very nice as a base. Using a small eyeshadow crease brush from Laneige as well. Going to be using the same shade on my under eyelid. Okay, so using a bigger crease brush, this is from the Body Shop. Gonna be using this dark matte ash brown just on the outer corner. I don't really want a lot of eyeshadow today because I wanted a very nice wing eye look. So I'm just gonna be adding some depth here first. So I'm gonna be using the smudge brush from e.l.f. It's a small one, just flat like that. Using the same ash brown shade. Just a little. It's quite pigmented, you know, I'm really surprised. On the lower corner. Lower outer corner. Yeah. Usually Laneige don't carry that pigmented eyeshadows because they are a Korean brand and Korean brands hardly come up with super pigmented eyeshadow. So I'm really surprised. This is pretty much like Urban Decay. It's like super pigmented. Today I'm gonna be using a black eyeliner to create a very nice and sharp wing eyeliner look. Needs a lot of emphasis because I hardly use black eyeliner recently. It's kind of scary. So I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty eyeliner. Yeah, it's called the Flyliner. There's a liquid eyeliner in black with a very fine felt tip. Okay, gonna be creating a wing eyeliner look. Okay, since the wing is super important, I'm gonna be starting off with the wing. So following my lower lash line. I'm not sure if it's because it's new, but it's bleeding a little. The tip is very precise, but I think because it's new and there are a lot of liquid going on, it bleeds just a little. Okay, so there is an unfortunate incident that I accidentally poked the black eyeliner into my eye and it started leaking into my eyeball. After I got used to using brown eyeliner, it kind of scares me how intense black eyeliner is on my eyes. Okay, so I'm done drawing my va-va-voom. I'm gonna be toning it down a little bit at the end by using the ash brown eyeshadow that we were using just now and an eyeliner brush. We'll just blend out the edge using the eyeshadow. Using the same brush and the same eyeshadow, bringing it downwards slightly. I like to do this and smudge it downwards. It gives off a very nice smoky effect. So using the eyeliner brush and the brown eyeshadow, just do this, tap it and pull it down lightly. So since I accidentally darkened my inner corner here because the eyeliner was bleeding and bled down towards my inner corner, I'm just gonna work that look now. So I'm gonna be using this Clio Professional Sharp So Simple Waterproof Pencil Liner in Cacao Brown, my favorite, just on the inner corner of the eye. What I fear the most when it comes to this kind of smoky look is that I think it emphasizes on my dark eye circle, and every time there will be some eyeshadow like fallouts over here that makes you look like you have panda eyes. To tackle that problem, I'm gonna highlight this area of my eye so it doesn't look that, you know, upsetting. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Missha Lace Shirring eyeshadow and add the shimmer on the inner corner. Okay, now I'm just gonna be curling my lashes and putting mascara. As always, if you want this look to be more intense, you should put on some fake eyelashes, but I'm not really going anywhere much apart from a movie premiere today. I don't really want something in front of my eyes. Okay, so today's mascara is the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal Paris. This is quite an intense mascara, so if you're into a very intense look that day, for example, it has a really huge brush head. The brush head of the Lash Paradise is very big, so I don't really want to risk it to apply on my lower lash. So I'm gonna be using this Appeal Skinny Waterproof Mascara. Okay, I am done with my eye makeup. It's quite thick today. So, moving on to my blusher. Since we have the Wild at Heart palette here, just now I saw that there is this blusher. So I'm just gonna be using that. It's a rosy blush shade. Just gonna be tapping it on my cheeks. So to intensify the cat eye look that I'm having, I'm gonna be adding this bronzy highlighter shade over here. I'm gonna be using the Physicians Formula and using this two-sided brush from Makeup Forever. I'm gonna be using this side, the wavy side. Adding it here. And I think I need more bronzer, so I'm gonna be using Hoola Lite from Benefit again. And using the Hoola brush from Benefit as well on my cheekbone. Adding some on the here and here. So you can never have enough highlighter in your life, so we'll be adding more highlighter. I'm gonna be using this shade, this last shade here. This is the NYX Fan Brush. Some on the nose, brow bone, cupid's bow, and on the chin. Okay, so we need a nice lip color to end off the look, and I think I'll be going for a nice rosy shade because I like rosy shades. Yep, that's it. Removing the lip balm first. Okay, so I'll be using the Laneige Tattoo Lip Tint in Rose Prism. This rose shade is slightly more warm tone, so it looks a little bit orangey. And And then we'll tap off the excess because it's too bright. Ending off with the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix Setting Spray. Intense! Okay, so this is the end look. It looks very thick in real life. Not sure if it's thick on camera. Looks like there's a patch of something over here. I think I need to blend it out. Okay, I'm just thinking what I should name this look for the video title. Okay, so that's it for today's Get Ready With Me. I've been so busy lately because it's the end of year and there are just so many things to do. So I'm trying to post more videos up regularly. So please bear with me. I hope you still, stick around. And if you have been sticking by, thank you so much. And I promise that I'll be posting more videos more regularly. Yup, so if you have any video requests, please let me know at the comment section below. I will check it out and I will make it for you. So thank you so much for watching my video as always. I hope you like it and I'll see you all really soon.